3 reasons why you need eye wash. Hindi kailangan na makaramdam ng hapdi sa mata para malaman mo na may problema na. And today, I'll share you 3 reasons bakit importante na do regularly ang eye wash. Hi, I'm Doc Karina Bukad of Bukad Vision and Smile Rehab, and let's give your eyes the love they deserve. Reason 1, hugas ng alikabok. So, every day your eyes are exposed to dust, dirt, pollution, and allergens. Lalo na kung lagi kang nasa labas, naka-makeup o nasa harap ng computer. Eye wash helps remove the invisible particles before they cause infection, redness, or irritation. Reason number 2, kalinisan ng eyelids and lashes. Minsan, sa pilik mata at talukap naiipon ng bacteria, oil, at even makeup residues. Over time, they can lead to blepharitis styles, o yung parang may baradong oil gland. Eye wash clears this away and supports overall lid hygiene. Reason number 3, mas sariwa ang paningin at mas fresh. Eye wash refreshes your eyes, especially kung digital user ka. It helps reduce eye fatigue, irritation, at parang may buhanging feeling kahit walang makita. Mas klaro, mas comfortable, at mas confident ka. Kung high risk ka, makeup user, or contact lens wearer, exposed sa pollution, we recommend every 6 months. Kasi hindi ito basta hugas lang, we do it with sterile, pH balance solution, proper tools, and ocular evaluation para mas sure at safe at effective. Your eyes do so much for you every single day, so ngayon sila naman ang alagaan.